Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tessa, or tesa.ma on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, please, you guys. I just want to get on here real quick and let you guys know to have a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are all safe and having fun with your families. I wanted to come here and give a big thank you before the video started, because I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys that have ever commented, that have liked, that have subscribed throughout this year. Without you guys, I literally wouldn't have accomplished half of the things I've accomplished this year as far as sponsorships and getting my channel monetized. I thank you guys so much for that. So yeah, I really do hope that you guys continue with me throughout the rest of my journey and have a safe and happy Thanksgiving and holidays. Mwah!